Ay, galing sa Libya nila. Opo. ঠিক আছে বিয়ে করা ভালো করে
Kardom, welcome back to my channel. Milirong hampi, lapen kado ka vituman pusta may berdabang gamisan lang kidi lapen is kami misan lang pusta may non lamang ke video hay pusta may upload long lepin lo lapen arjitat meeting holo lapen pinya bangke college long farewell do lapen is kami palidon puplo mama tong hodak do ini mo chatong duno nang de kado ka vituman pusta may de ha.
ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীলৈ মই আন্তৰিক ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ, কৃতজ্ঞতা জনাইছোঁ। তেওঁলোকে after studying during 5 years, some of you, but others maybe 3 years.
Sir, now I request Ali sir from the QAC department to give a few for this speech.
Farewell, as I told you earlier, that is very pathetic. After around 3 years or 5 years, you are leaving the college soon after the month of June. So, you did good job for college, you helped for the development of college. So, I personally extend my hearty thanks to the outgoing students, senior students, and our blessings will be with you always. And I also suggest you take some such type of measure that will help your society, your community, and ultimately our country. Always think positive.
মই প্ৰথমে কলেজত মই ডিগ্ৰী পাছ কৰাৰ কাৰণে আহিছিলে, তাৰপিছত মই এতিয়া সমাপ্ত হ'বলৈ হৈছে। সেইটোকে তোমালোকে আৰু ভালকে মোৰ মানে এটা কথা ক'বলৈ মানে বিচাৰিছোঁ, ছেকেণ্ড ছেমিষ্টাৰ আৰু ফ'ৰ্থ ছেমিষ্টাৰ আপোনালোকেও যাতে ভালকে যাতে সময়মতে
Was it all you? You don't have to call me back. Was it I without you? Was it all you? Was it all you? You don't have to call me back. Was it I without you?
So finally, nona bangke hembang nang chili adloyo pinya bangke innings tami chuparong piklo hodak pustami lapen thank you so much junior student tumhan alang tum lapison langke farewell po churo piklo alang tum aphan pustami teacher sa tum pen pustami lapu farewell langke farewell po churo lo kaduka ve tum ana phan pustami to tangke pinya bangke lan velo monek sabdulong le chetang chulone apen goroma gorom pi lapen exam pustami nang chili lo non 21 pen lo exam kang chingi to tangte kaduka ve tum pustami domi thami monek sabdulong le ko chetang churong nang de